Today, we're driving my 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor on a racetrack. This video is partially inspired by Vaughn Gittin Jr.'s Raptor Nürburgring drift video that he came out with a few years ago. The BFG KO3s are holding up like champs. We are in sport mode. We're in 2 high, steering's in comfort, exhaust is in Baja. Let's send it. Thing about a truck is you can hit the curbs without any reservations. Two, 3 shift there, mid-drift. The diff is unlocked. Found that's probably the best way to go about things at higher speeds. Traction control does not like transitions, so we're trying to avoid those today and just stick with nice, smooth, clean drifts. You can get just crazy angle out of this thing, partially because of the long wheelbase and partially because of the fantastic steering angle that this affords you. Into second. Brakes are holding up beautifully. We'll do third through here. Let's just do a clean lap, and let's actually go into 4 auto. I'll show you guys how the all-wheel drive system performs in this, and we're even going to go back into automatic mode. Let the gearbox make its own decisions. This effectively acts like an all-wheel drive system. just a little bit of slip out of corners, which is a lot of fun. Of course, we have traction stability control turned off right now. Gives you guys a pretty good idea. But really, this is the most fun right here. The KO3s are actually performing quite well in the rain. There's a lot of standing water. This is pretty heavy rain right now, and their performance in the wet has improved substantially from when I first got them. I think they just needed about 1,500 miles to break in, if I'm being honest. That's the transition that keeps throwing off the traction control system. I mean, this is properly fun. Steering does a pretty good job self-centering into a slide, kind of steering into the drift. I don't feel like I'm having to yank the wheel to get it to kind of go where I want mid-slide. I think traction control is giving us the message that, hey, time to calm down. Let's, things are getting a little bit hot and a little bit confused. So, there you go. That is hooning on a wet racetrack in the Ford Ranger Raptor. super fun, something I've always wanted to do, and glad to be able to bring you guys along for this one today. Well, let's see, we'll let things cool down here. They seem to come back to temperature pretty quickly. Oil temp right now is at 244. It didn't really get past 250. And transmission temps at 233. That seems pretty good. Already getting down there. We're going to turn the heat up too. That might help. And whenever I get this traction control error, all I do is just turn off the truck, turn it back on again, and all is well. Everything's fine. In sport mode also, I think it really lets you have a little bit more free rein getting sideways, because it's not trying to drag pads on the rear wheels to kind of act as a limited slip differential like it does in Baja mode. You can lock the rear diff too, but it really only works at lower speeds. Something I've always strangely wanted to do was get one of these out on a racetrack, and it actually performed really, really well. I'm pretty surprised. Brakes held up, everything held up except for the traction control system, and it looks like even that has sorted itself out and fixed itself as we've come down to temperature here. 212 degrees oil temp, transmission temp is 215. I think we could probably get our drive modes back. Yeah, we're good to go. Cool. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to M1 Concours for hosting us on this rainy day. Go check them out at m1concours.com. You can book them for your corporate or fun event. Drive one of their performance fleet cars. They have a bunch of Mustangs right here, some GR86s, and a Porsche Boxster over there. A racetrack, autocross course, event center, a lot of cool stuff going on here. And of course, this is kind of our home track for all the testing and fun shenanigans that we have going on in Metro Detroit. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that video on the Ranger Raptor. Appreciate Substitute Topher filming some B-roll in the Civic Type R. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.